Welcome back to another episode of Just Lovely Living. Here's where we create the atmosphere for you to celebrate your grace, beauty, and style. I'm your host, Tanya D. Bryant. And in this episode, we're going to be working on some wall art, and I'm going to show you how to do this little thing right here. So let's get started. For this next project, I will be using straws, my gems, and this floral foam. I saw this from another YouTuber, and I tried to go back to search who I got this idea from, but I think I got bits and pieces from a couple of people because I saw someone use straws on a project, and when they painted them, it actually looked like metal. I have some straws. I don't like to use straws to drink out of, but I just happen to have these sitting around because I don't use them. So, and someone used the half circle because this is actually going to go on the wall. So when I went to the Dollar Tree, I got this from the Dollar Tree. They didn't have the circle one, so I got this odd shape here, which I think it may turn out just as well. And basically just sticking the straws through here, and I'm going to cut for different sizes. We're going to put the gems on the bottom. I'm going to use probably the smaller ones here, and we're going to glue the gems at the bottom. So let's see how this turns out. So I'm going to cut right here to get a smaller size. Here you see where I've done it here, and then the long piece I'm going to cut in half. So that's going to give me two sizes right there. Cut there, and then cut that in half, somewhat in half. So we have two sizes. There, and then cut in half. I'm not sure I want them long. I was looking at this, how long it is. I don't know if I want it that long. This is actually, I'm doing a set to go in my bedroom and then a set to go in my bathroom. And I feel like that might be a little bit too long once I get them all in. If not, I can go back and add some that are longer than this. I never know how some of this stuff is going to turn out. I'm not a professional crafter. I am just trying to save money and create some art myself. Start placing some of them in here. Maybe do like do every other one. Maybe stagger it just a little bit too. We're just going to keep doing that. I got all of my straws in. I only did the sides. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with the front side there. I don't know. I'll have to think about this. If I want to put more straws going out this way, I mean, it's going to be against the wall, or have something flat. So now what I'm going to do is glue them in. Put a little bit of glue in here. And then just so that they don't fall out, because some of them were falling out. So I'm going to continue to do that. So I decided to take the glue gun and make a circle. So when I paint this or spray paint it, you'll be able to see that circle design in the middle. Okay, so I just went all the way around in a circle. So it's going to look like a piece of metal in the middle once I spray paint it. Before I spray paint my creation, I am going to paint the foam with black acrylic paint. And it also allowed the spray paint to stick to something by doing this, instead of going all the way into the grooves and wasting the spray paint. So I had a chance to spray paint my art here, and I've been adding my gems to the tip of the straws. So I'm just about done on the second one. So I want to show you how I did it. Just added a little bit of glue at the top, and I put the gem on the tip there. Kind of pull the strings away, but it sits there. Just press just a little bit, and there you have it. So that's it. I believe I've got them all. Just want to go back and clean up a few areas. I just pulled off some of the paint here, so I'm going to go back and paint that with my brush with the spray paint because I just peeled that off. There, but not bad. I like it. And then I'm going to put it on the wall. I'm probably just going to put it on the wall with a stick pin. Push the stick pin inside here and just stick it to the wall because it's light enough for a stick pin. Nothing special. And I even thought about taking the medium-sized gems. You see I have large, medium, and then the small ones. The medium size. I may go in there and do this. I'm not sure if I would need to, because I think it looks pretty good like this. It almost looks like it's glitter on there. So let's see what it looks like on the wall.